Welcome to Storytime with Ryan Lagai
and Craig Tovey.
Today's book is Don't Touch My Book with Your Dirty Little Hands
by Ben Okon.
Let's get started.
Okon.
Don't touch my book with your dirty little hands
by Ben Okon. Hey kid, I see you. You with your greasy, dirty hands. I just finished cleaning all the lines and colors out of this book, so don't you dare.
You got your tiny fingerprints on my book. See? Right there. Now I'm going to have to...
Didn't you hear me? Every time you touch my book,
What did you do? You're making me lose my hair. You wouldn't understand with your gorgeous head of hair, but...
Slow down! If you're going to make a mess, the least you can do is do it slowly so I can clean up after you.
Wow.
Yeah.
That is messy.
Crazy.
Yeah. Oh, and just thank you.
What?
Your hands are dirty, Craig.
No, they're not.
I don't want them touching my book.
Okay, fine. You can hold the book yourself.
Thank you.
My hands aren't dirty. Just that's a fact.
One man's fact. You cut right around here. Phew! You've exhausted me. I'm just going to take a little break. Wait, are you admiring my tree painting? Yes, I did paint it myself. Why do you ask?
Are you serious?
I said don't!
Muh.
Grrr, the letter R.
Muh. I'm angry. I'm angry. Why won't this kid stop touching my book with his dirty little hands? I really need to calm down. But how?
I know. I need to get my anger dragon out so it can burn off some steam. Dragmo, come out here. Roar!
Dragma. Okay, let's take deep breaths. Dragmo, it's fire breathing time.
What? Dragmo, it must feel better to get that fire out. We need to burn off some energy before we burn down the house. Let's stomp and dance it off.
There we go. I think the root of all of this is that there's anger that needs to be released. Ryan, why don't you just stomp and dance out some of that anger?
Dancing, dance.
And here we go. We're just gonna...
Oh! Don't touch my book with your little dirty hands.
My hands are clean.
I don't believe you because I believe they're dirty.
They're not though. That's not true.
Oh, are you saying what I believe isn't good enough for you?
Okay, I'm calm. My anger dragon is out. Now, how can we get that kid to stop messing up my book?
I have an idea.
All right, kid, I'm back. My pet dragon likes art too. Why don't you and Dragmo get your dirty little hands all over that painting while I get some cleaning supplies?
How's it looking over there, kid? Your hands still look a little dirty, and that painting still has a tiny bit of space left.
Well, my book is clean and my painting looks great. Fingerprint leaves? A stroke of genius that only a gifted artist like you would think of. Can you turn the page again?
This one's all yours. Have fun, my new friend. Oh, and I'm sorry I got angry at you. Craig?
Yes.
I don't really know where I went with all that, but I'm sorry I got angry with you.
I accept your apology.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
Because honestly, it feels so good.
Don't touch my book!
What?
Don't touch my book with your dirty little hands.
By Ben Okon. Now it's time for shoutouts for our Patreon members.
Thank you for being part of the Ryan and Craig reading crew.
And if you want your very own shoutout, all you have to do is go over to
patreon.com/Ryan and Craig and become a member of the reading crew today.
But now,
Let's get shouted! Natalie Paul Amos and her dad.
From Binghamton, New York, which is better than Old York.
Which I don't want to talk about.
What about Discount York? Slightly used. Thrift store York. Valkyrie Mitchell.
Pasco, Washington.
Shout out. There it is.
Wyatt and Harper Taylor.
From Land O'Lakes, Florida.
Land O'Lakes.
Spread with sweet cream.